Matching. 1 through 3 match the property to the example. 4 and 5 match the definition to the term. Write the letter next to the number, then bubble in on Scantron. So for problems 1 through 3, you are matching the property to the example. So here are our examples, and the only properties here are A, B, C, and D. So that means the answers for 1 through 3 are coming from the first 4 answer choices. Even though 4 plus -4, they are opposites of each other, I know that H cannot be the answer because I'm looking for the property name to match with this example. So 4 plus -4 equals 0. That's going to be the inverse property. These two numbers are additive inverses of each other. They're opposites. That means that this is the inverse property. If I add this number to its opposite, I get 0. Number 2, 12 times 1 equals 12. That's the identity property. Any number times 1 is equal to that number. Problem number 3, 3 times 2 equals 2 times 3. That's the commutative property of multiplication. It doesn't matter what order I'm multiplying the numbers in, because 3 times 2 is 6, and that's the same thing as 2 times 3, and that's 6. Commutative property means that the order, it doesn't matter. I can flip-flop it if I'd like. So I'm done with all of my properties. So now 4 and 5 can't be A, B, C, or D. 4 and 5 have to either be E, F, G, or H. 4, the distance from 0 on the other side of 0. Distance from 0, that sounds familiar. I know that that's absolute value because the definition of absolute value is a number's distance from 0. But they go on to say on the other side of 0. The distance from 0 on the other side of 0. So 6 is 6 units away from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Absolute value of 6 is 6. But it goes on to say the distance from 0 on the other side of 0. So this distance on the other side of 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So the distance from 0 on the other side of 0, that would be opposite. So the answer for number 4 should have been H, opposite.